Who doesn't love a crispy snack with a surprise cheesy filling? Today we are making the ultimate cheese veg balls. Crispy outside, cheesy inside and packed with veggies. I'm Nahida with you and let's get started. First, take 2 boiled potatoes and mash them well until smooth. Watch the full video to discover the amazing health benefits of this delicious recipe. Did you know potatoes are natural mood boosters, perfect for a happy snack time? Now add 2 tablespoons onion, 3 tablespoons carrot and 3 tablespoons capsicum for a colorful and flavorful mix. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 green chili, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chaat masala and half teaspoon cumin for that perfect chatpata taste. To bind everything together, add 2 tablespoons corn flour and mix well until it forms a dough-like consistency. Chaat masala in the recipe gives an extra tangy and spicy kick, a must-try flavor. Potatoes are packed with carbohydrates, giving you an instant energy boost. They are also rich in vitamin C, which helps your immune systems. Take a small portion of the mixture and make a ball. But wait, it's time for the cheesy surprise. Place some mozzarella cheese in the center and cover it completely with the potato mixture. Make sure to seal it properly so that the cheese doesn't leak out while frying. For a crispy outer layer, make a flour slurry by mixing 1/4 cup flour with 1/3 cup water. Cheese is a great source of calcium and protein, helping in bone and muscle development. It also contains healthy fats that keeps you full for longer. Use chilled cheese to prevent it from melting too fast while frying. Dip each cheese ball into the flour slurry, then coat it well with breadcrumbs for that perfect crunch. Capsicum is loaded with vitamin C, boosting immunity and glowing skin. Heat oil on medium heat and carefully drop in the cheese balls. These cheese veg balls are free from preservatives and can be baked instead of fried for a healthier version. Fry until they turn crispy and golden brown. Don't fry on high heat. Medium heat ensure even cooking and a crispy outer layer. Look at that beautiful golden color. What's your favorite dipping sauce for these crispy cheese balls? Let me know in the comments. That's it! Your crispy, cheesy and delicious cheese veg balls are ready to enjoy. Serve hot and enjoy the cheesy goodness. And here's the best part, the cheesy pull. Love crispy snacks? Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Enoven Foods for more quick and delicious recipes.